Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the extended regular expression grep. So that means what I want to explain you is using the grep, not only the text we will be able to search, we can also able to search using the regular expression also. So I will try to show you one thing. So if you try to search for the manual of the grep, and here you will be able to see that along with the grep, you will be able to have some other options like E grep, F grep, R grep, something like that. And if you come down something like this, here you will be able to see that E grep, F grep is nothing but it is a representation of grep hyphen E. That is nothing but E grep, it is trying to say. So this E grep is nothing but, so which is trying to use the extended regular expression. So that means whenever you want to use the regular expression type of pattern for searching the text means, then you can use this hyphen E option. So for this one, I will try to explain you the scenario. So let's quit from this man. So here I am in my home directory. Let's go to the desktop, and here you will be having leela.txt file. So if you try to see this leela.txt file, so here you will be able to see some data. Okay, so the huge articles or something like that, it is there. So what I want to explain you in this one is, so for example, let's say that I want to search for grep question mark, okay, in the leela.txt. So here I want to search it for question mark. You know that in regular expression, question mark has a separate has a meaning. Okay, 0 or 1, 0 or none. 1 or none, 1 or 0 or something like that. Okay, so at least one existence should be there, or otherwise no, something like that. Question mark. So now if you try to search for this one grep question mark, and here you will be able to see, instead of searching it something like a regular expression, it has literally searched as a text. So here you will be able to see the 3 occurrences are there with a question mark. So that means here the grep, instead of looking it as a regular expression, it is looking it as a plain text. So in regular expressions, if you try to see, so you have a separate meanings for special characters, something like plus, star, question mark, flower bracket, square bracket, this type of things you will have a separate meaning. So that is the thing. So here if you want to search using the grep with a regular expression means, then you need to use the extended grep, that is nothing but E grep. So here in order to search for this one, for example, let's say that I want to search for market, let's assume. So market in the leela.txt file. So here I want to search for leela.txt file, and here you will be able to see market, and here markets. So here you are having one word, and markets like this. So that means we are able to find a sub. So here we are able to find the exact market or as a part of the word. So now if I want to do something like exact word, I want to match it, so that left and right there should not be any character or anything means. So then you do it something like grep market hyphen w. We can use an hyphen w. Let's see. Then you will be able to see, you will be able to get only market. Dot is not a character, so it's an ABCD character, not something. So now market. So we are able to match the exact thing. Now if I want to search only the markets, so let's try to see only the markets. Then I am able to search only the markets here. Okay. So now if I try to keep a question mark here, so question mark here. If I try to keep a question mark, now I am not able to find anything. Why? Because so here markets with a question mark, this text is not available. But here the question mark is a regular expression. I want to make this one as a regular expression. So that means this S should be present or not. So that means I want to find the search which the match should be market or markets. So that means S is an optional. So I want to make this like this. So then what I need to do, I need to use a E grep, or otherwise I can use an hyphen E option. Now if you try to search here, we are able to find the markets like this, we can able to find it. So that means, so this is an optional thing. So like this extended thing we can able to use it. So not only like this, we can use anything. So for example, let's say that I want to find some words, something like grep hyphen E, and I want to match something like vowels AEIOU, and it should be exactly 2 in the leela.txt file. So whether we can able to find it or not. Now you will be able to find literal so many words like OI, and here you will be able to IO, IA. So that means, so we are able to find the ovals, so it should have at least 2. So you can also keep an we'll try to see. So we can see exact 3. So whether we can able to find the exact 3 or not. Yes, we are able to find exact 3 like UAI and OUE also it is available. So like this we can able to find it. So now you can also have it range of characters something like 2, 3. So that means at in between 2 to 3. So then you can able to find so many options. You can able to find the 3 options also where you can. So here you will be able to see the 3 options and 2 options you can able to find. So like this we can use the regular expression combination. So we have so many types of regular expressions. We can use the regular expression combination in the grep. So that is the extended regular expression using the grep. So this is one thing which I want to explain you. The another concept before closing of the grep which I want to tell you is we can also use the grep as a piping. So the piping of the grep also we can use it. For example, let's say that we are having a PS. Okay. So this is the PS means current working processes in my home directory. So if you want to check all things means you can search it like this. So you can able to find all the working progress. So now here if you try to search it here, so we are able to see lot many processes are running in the system, right? So if I want to search for a particular thing means I can use a grep option and whatever the text I want to search, so in Leela I can use it. Now if you try to see only the process which have a Leela as a text, then you will be able to find it in the thing. So like this you can pipe the options. Okay. So for example, let's say that we can also use a find option. In the find option also we can use the grep. So for example, let's say that I want to tell you that I want to find the names which is matching star.txt. So here you will be able to see, and I want to search it only in my home directory. So that means tilt. So here I can keep it like this. Okay. So like this I can keep it, and I want to check that which is not empty. So the files should not be empty. So now these are the files which doesn't have any empty, and those starts with the star.txt. So now and again what I want to do is, so out of this I want to get only the files. Okay, so which is of type files, not directories. So now I am able to get it. So these are all the data I want to pass it to the grep. So I can use an exec and I can use the grep command, and I want to search the word Leela whether it is present in the text or not, and I can use this one. So we need to end it like this, semicolon. Now if I try to press enter, see I am able to find only one text, but we are not able to find the file name. So if I want to get the file name means what I can do is I can use a -l option. Then it is telling that it is present in the todo/data.txt file. So like this we can able to use the grep option in the find by using the exec method, which we have seen that command also, or otherwise we can use the pipe option also. And if you want to know the line number means, so I didn't remember exactly the options -n I think, yeah, in the first line you will be able to see it. So this is how we will be using the grep command in different scenarios like piping of the grep, and we can use it in the find command, and also we have seen about the extended regular expression functionality using the grep. So this is all about the grep things. In the next videos we will learn about the permissions of the file, what are the permissions and all those things you will see. Hope you understood about this grep command. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.